Hi guys, many who buy new tire have probably wondered what the strange mark on the rubber might mean. As a rule, they take the form of the strips, circle various icons and numbers. What is the purpose of these symbols and how important are they? Yellow or white, a similar mark indicates the sector where the tire has the least weight. This fragment must be combined with the rim nipple in order to ensure maximum balancing and proper placement of weight at the moment of balancing the wheel itself. Red, the antipode of the yellow mark, that is placed on the thickest and heaviest part of the tire. The mark is reduced opposite to the nipple. However, not every tire has this mark. For example, a number of European and many Russian manufacturers don't put them on their product at all. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like.